Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'm Arif, your cloud learning journey partner. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you my $100,000 stock portfolio update. It's been a year I started my stock investment journey. At the very beginning, I was not quite sure like how to do my investments. Then I went through all the resources that I found online, and day by day I gathered knowledge and started my journey. And this month I have hit this $100,000 benchmark, for which I'm really proud of. And this year my portfolio has grown by 33.5%, which is a massive growth. Well, in today's video, I'm gonna show you my current portfolio update, and then I'll share like what specific stocks that I'm targeting and what strategy I'm following. And at the very end of this video, I'm gonna also share some tips that will help you to start your stock journey. So there are a few specific reasons why I started investing. Now, I work in IT industry, and I am earning well, so every month I do have some money that I can save under my bank account. But the problem with that part is like if I just save my money on bank account, every year the value of my money will decrease because of the inflation. It's crazy. It's almost near around 6 to 7% of inflation. So every year my money, that my hard-earned money, will lose the value. So that I wanted to explore some option that will help me to fight against it. So that's the first reason. And the second thing is like there is a famous quote that is, if your money is not working while you're sleeping, you won't get rich. So that hit me really hard when I came to know about this quote. That means our money, hard-earned money, should be always be active in the back end to make more money for us. It will help that it will help to make sure that we'll have our financial freedom that we are really expecting, and we can get retired when we want to. Then we can do whatever we want to do. So for that reason, I feel like investment, stock market is a very good strategy. My way of investment is more of a like long-term investments. So before I start to share my stock portfolio from the app that I'm using for investment, please do like and subscribe to my channel so that you can see my upcoming videos. So without further delay, let's explore my 100K stock portfolio. So I have logged into my Wealthsimple account, and I'm using this app for my stock portfolio. So I'm in Canada, and in Canada, Wealthsimple is pretty popular. So for that reason, I'm just using one platform. As if I use multiple platform, it will be tougher for me to manage multiple platforms. So that's why I'm just only getting stick to only one particular platform, that is Wealthsimple. So at the very top, you can see my total investment so far, which is 97,630, a little bit short to 100K, but hopefully very soon by this month it's gonna hit 100K. So it has few sections of the first one is TFSA. TFSA stands for tax-free savings account. In Canada, we get this TFSA. So the good part about TFSA is that if you invest under TFSA, all the gain that you're gonna make is totally tax-free. You have to pay 0% tax. So here it's a great tool to optimize your portfolio and make a great return out of it. So here, if you see in here, my performance, it has grown by 41% under TFSA. So the money I invest under TFSA, it has grown by 41%. Isn't it great? And the next one is non-registered. It's more of a like personal account. So the thing is that under TFSA, we get a limited room. Every year we get near around like 6,000, and the next year you're gonna get another 6,000. You can't invest more than $6,000 under TFSA per year. So once you max out your TFSA, then if you want to invest more, then you have to go for the non-register or the personal account. So I'm using this non-register account because my TFSA already maxed out. That's the second part, and this also has grown by 23.93%, almost like 25% has grown. And the third one is crypto. I have also invested some of my money under crypto, which has done a great job. My crypto portfolio up by 86%, guys. So that's a very short summary. So before I show you particular stocks that I'm investing, I want to show you what specific stock I am looking under the trade watch list. So here in this section, if you see, I created a trade watch list. This is very important because we really need to know which companies we are interested in, what particular technology or particular sector we need to focus on. So here is a strategy that I'm going to share with you. That is like, for me, I'm from IT background, so I know more of the IT companies, which companies are doing great, how is the product, how is the service. So for me, it's easier to predict. Like, for instance, I know Apple, I know Amazon, I know Google. These companies will do better in long run because the base is very strong. I can see the growth. I can see how they are managing stuff. So for that reason, I invest in this company. Likewise, you are working in some particular field, right? And you will know that field very well. You know which are the industry leader in that particular field. So please target those companies, and it will help you to pick the perfect stocks, and you will also make gains like this very easily. It's not that hard. So this is one advice. So here I created the checklist. So every watch list, every week or every day, I just go through this watch list at least once to see which companies are doing well, which company is a little bit down, so that I can buy when it is down, because I'm pretty sure in the long run you're going to do well. So it's more of opportunity that I'm looking for to buy stocks. So let's look into the tax free savings account in here. So this account has two subsections. One is CAD and another is USD. So with well simple, I can invest under Canadian stock market and also with US stock market. So under CAD here, I do have all the Canadian shares, and under USD here, I have all the US company shares. So here, if you see, I have some Canadian stocks that I have purchased, like Shopify, which did really awesome. It has grown by 100%. See, 109% growth. And I mainly focused in two particular stock under Canadian market. It's not a stock; it's more of a ETF. So the first one is VFV. So VFV stand for Vanguard S&P 500 Index ETF. So it is tracking the US top 500 companies. It's more of like a basket of a stock. So if you invest $100 under this VFV, this $100 will be distributed among this all 500 top performing US companies. So this is a great stock to buy, because here you are diversifying the risk, and when the US market will go up, your stock price will also go up. If we see the 5 years performance in here, 5 years it has grown by 83.37%, which is crazy. So under my account, under TFS and non-register, I have invested almost like, if I want to add this to, it's more like $15,000 I've invested under this VFV, and it is doing great. It's going up, and I'm planning to buy more and more, because Warren Buffett said, like, if he would start investing right now, he would mostly invest under the S&P 500, because it's very hard to beat the S&P 500 if you want to pick particular or specific stocks. It's very hard. So that's why it's always S&P 500 is a very safe bet. So that's one. And beside that, I have some other stocks in here. I also invested a little bit under MFC, Manual Financial Corporation. So that's my Canadian side of the TFSA. Under USD, US section, I have mostly the top tech giants like Apple, Amazon, Google, Meta, Microsoft, Nvidia. So here is a cool part. If you see the Nvidia one, under Nvidia, it has grown by 432%. So this is crazy. When Nvidia share was below 150, I purchased it, and now it's $726. It's just in few months all the gain happened. So this is crazy. All you have to know, have a very precise idea, like very sure idea about the particular company, the basics, the cash flow, and some other numbers. If you can assume that this company will go up in the long term, then you should go for it, and then money will grow, and things will be much better in this way. So that's why I have invested only under most of the money under the tech stock, because I'm very sure about this particular stocks. So that's my TFS. If I go to my non-registered account here, I also have these two sections. Here I have some Canadian stocks, and here I do have some US stocks too. And under my crypto portfolio, there are two major cryptocurrencies that I have invested. The first one is BTC, Bitcoin, which is up by 100%. That is great. And the second one is Ethereum. I have also invested a little bit under Ethereum, and it has also done great. It's almost like 80% up. So that's the current update of my stock portfolio, and very soon I'm gonna hit this 100k mark by this month, and from there I will try to optimize. I will try to make sure my portfolio is well diversified, so that I am not investing in a particular sector way more than the others. Then the risk will be higher, because for some reason, if that particular sector is not doing well, then my whole portfolio will get affected a lot. So that's for that reason, diversification is the key in the stock market. So here is a short update about my $100,000 stock portfolio. The thing here I want to mention in here, we always have to start small. When I started investing, I only started with $1,000, because I was not pretty sure like how to do it, whether I will make it or not, whether I'm gonna lose all the money. So what I did, I started small. I tried to learn about the company. I tried to learn about the investment. How can I make sure that my investment is doing good? How I can make sure that all the money, my hard-earned money that I'm investing, is in good state. So for that reason, education is the key in here. Every day, even now, so far, every day I'm just going through some blogs, financial blogs. I have downloaded some apps related to finance, where every day I'm getting the news and alerts about different things, like what's going on around the world, so that I can make a better decision. And financial literacy is very important. Other than that, we really have to work and work and work. If we save the money under bank account, guess what? Your value of the money will decrease every year. So there is no other way than investing. So even though this channel was more of a tech, I really want to share my progress with you guys, because I feel like we are a family, and I want you guys to win in your life. You will work hard, you will be a better IT professional. That's great. But beside that, if you know how to invest your hard-earned money, then you can make your life way easier, way better, and you can fulfill your dreams. Well, that's all for today's video. If you guys have any questions about the investment, how you can get started, or any confusion, please let me know under this comment section, and I'm gonna reply in a very short period of time. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my videos. It means a lot to me. Each and every day our community is growing, and more people are joining to be better IT professional, better investor. So if you want me to cover any specific topic, please also let me know in this comment section, and I'm gonna cover that for you. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel, so that you can see my upcoming videos. Thank you, guys, and have a great and wonderful day.